injuries, call 212 Law Team.
I got injured in an accident, but I was jaywalking. Do I still have a case? Hi, my name is Matt Haicken. I'm a personal injury lawyer here in New York City. That's a question I get a lot, and the answer is sometimes you may have a case. I'm going to show you a video about a client of mine. The accident was not on video, so I actually had an animation made, and I did that because the insurance industry knows that these videos are very expensive, and I like to show them that I will outspend them, and I don't mind spending money to win a case. And I also wanted the claims adjuster and the lawyer on the case to really see what happened and to see what the jury would see if the case went to trial. Take a look. So in this video, my client was crossing 42nd Street between 10th and 11th Avenues. Very busy intersection in New York City. As she got into the street, she was hit by somebody making a delivery for a restaurant. She was knocked to the ground, and she landed on her arm and on her face. As you can see here, she had a fracture to some bones in her skull and on her face, and she also fractured her collarbone. She also got a pretty severe cut on her face, which resulted in a scar. She also, we alleged, had a traumatic brain injury and injuries to her cervical spine. She had some bulging discs. And I really wanted to have this video so the claims adjuster and potentially the jury could see that even though there was, her head wasn't cut open, there can be a brain injury. It's called a coup contra coup, is when the brain sort of bounces around in the skull. The fact that she was jaywalking was certainly a problem. The law is you're supposed to cross only in the crosswalk. But everybody knows that it's just part of life in New York that people cross mid-block, and it just happens. So I was pretty confident if we went to trial, the jury would not say she was too much at fault. Also, the driver of the electric bicycle said he did not see her even for a split second before the accident happened. So he clearly wasn't really paying attention. He also admitted at the deposition, which is a pre-trial question and answer session, and that takes place in a lawyer's office, or nowadays it takes place on Zoom, but there's no judge, there's no jury, but everyone's under oath, the witnesses are under oath, and he testified that he is usually not a delivery guy, he's a cook, but on this night they made him do deliveries, and I got him to admit under oath that apartment where he delivered to just before this, he got a very small tip and he was very angry. So here he is, he's angry, he has to get back to the restaurant to be a cook, he's not even a delivery guy, they're making him do all this extra work. Clearly wasn't paying attention. That's when he slammed into my client. And at the time this happened, she was single. Scars are worth more on single women. I know that sounds kind of weird, but juries over the years have given more money to single women. The idea is that they're out there on the dating scene trying to find their soulmate, and now they have this disfiguring scar, so they should get more. Because of the scar and all our other injuries, that case settled for a total of $325,000, and it settled less than 2 years after the accident happened. I understand you're probably watching this video because maybe you've been in an accident and maybe you're shopping around for a lawyer. If you have any questions about your accident and your accident happened here in New York, give me a call. The call is always free. There's never a fee unless we win. My team and I handle cases like this every day. For accidents and injuries, call 212 Law Team.
For accidents and injuries.